Hi, our project is Bluetooth attacks on medical wearables in the College of Computing under Tim Van Wagner. My name is Destiny Michaels.
I'm Joe Horne.
And I'm Byron Langerman.
And I'm Kern.
With the increase in the usage of fitness trackers to keep track of users' health data, some may begin to wonder, is their data safe with all of these third-party companies tracking what activities they do on a daily basis? By far, Apple Watches are the most popular fitness tracking device on the market. Using various tools and hardware, we investigated and followed previous research done. Are Apple Watches secure from Bluetooth attacks? This was going off the assumptions of the vulnerabilities in Bluetooth and its counterpart, Bluetooth Low Energy.
For our project, we used several physical devices. 3 of them were iPhones. One was an iPhone 7 Plus, one was a normal iPhone 7, and the third was an iPhone 6. We also used an Apple Watch SE. We had 3 computers, 1 Mac Mini, a Windows PC, and a Linux PC. The last thing we had were 5 Adafruit Bluetooth low energy sniffers that we were trying to use to hijack the connection between the iPhone and the Apple Watch.
For our software tools, we used several tools that worked and several that didn't. Among those that did not work was Red Fang, Spoof Tooth, and Crackle. And for the ones that we had marginal success with, we used Beetle Jack, which is Bluetooth low energy jacking, specifically targeting Bluetooth low energy devices of the version 5 and 4.0. And then we used Light Blue to do device enumeration to find the hardware address of the Apple Watch and the iPhone, and Wireshark to capture packets and see if we could get the handshake between the watch and the iPhone.
So in the end, our group was actually unable to completely hijack the connection between the Apple Watch and the Apple phone. We could see the connection at points and see that it was hijacked, but there was nothing that we could do with that. And after a couple seconds, the Bluetooth devices would change the channels they communicated on so that we could no longer be on that connection. This didn't work for a number of reasons. Some of that being the software that didn't work, like Spoof Tooth and Red Fang. Initially, we tried to use a different Bluetooth adapter, but it wasn't compatible with the Bluetooth low energy signals coming from the Apple device and the Apple Watch. This resulted in us having to acquire some special equipment to do these attacks. And that means that this attack is not really viable in the outside world because we used 5 Bluetooth sniffers and we used 3 Apple devices to make sure that we could see this. I think that means that we can declare that this was an unsuccessful attack and the Apple Watch is secure.
Given our research, another team can pick up where we left off and use more devices to try and hijack the connection and prevent it from connecting.